What's up, what's good? Welcome to our very first YouTube course. We're gonna start the jump right now. YouTube, before you start thinking about that paper, YouTube wants you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So before I teach you all how to get that bag, how to make that bank, I'm first gonna teach you how to stack those subscribers, especially the first 100. Them first 100 subs, man, they're a problem to get. The first 10, the first 20, that's easy. You hit up a few of your homies and you put a little pressure on them. You're like, yo, pull up to my YouTube channel, subscribe, it's lit. So then you hit 10 subscribers, maybe 15 subscribers, but from 15 to 100, that climb is real. I was looking at my old videos the other day and I was remembering saying, man, we're at 27, now we're at 34, and now we're at 35, just going up by 1 subscriber after putting like 10 videos. And then, all right, somebody new just pull up, we're at 44. And that used to get me very hyped. And that's exactly what you all gonna learn today with the long tail strategy. The long tail strategy? Man, that sounds ridiculous, right? But it's real. I ain't making this up. It actually exists. It's the long tail keywords. And if you don't know what that is, you need to watch this till the end. Let me explain you. The long tail keywords are those words and those phrases that people are looking for, and they don't have a lot of competition, precisely because they're long. And I'm gonna show you how to apply this strategy to your own channel so you can draw some people in. Listen, the big issue with YouTube is that making videos, it's work. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort. This video I'm making right here, man, it's a lot of work. And the editing, that's the real grind. Especially with me, because I like to put that little thing there and change the color here and add this transition, and you all don't even see all the behind the scenes mess. And what happens to a lot of people is you start making these videos that take forever to make, and who watches them? No one. Maybe a few of your friends, and they're gonna be joking around. They'll be like, come on dude, why are you wearing that shirt? So the strategy I'm about to show you will help you other people watch, so like that you won't have to deal with your friends no more. And you can apply this to no matter what you're doing. Doesn't matter if you're a gamer, doesn't matter if you're in a beauty lane, the gaming lane, the travel blog lane, the fishing lane, the cooking lane, whatever you're doing, this long tail strategy is universal, period. So let me drop you an example so you can see what I'm talking about. Say you're in a gaming space, right? And yesterday you were playing Fortnite with your homies and you're gonna upload that video to YouTube. What title are you gonna put on it? Playing Fortnite? Playing Fortnite with my friends? The best game of Fortnite? Man, you ain't gonna get no views. No one. Because first of all, you ain't got 100 subs and you're competing with 50,000 million other YouTubers like you. How the hell they gonna find your video? Nah bro, they ain't gonna find you. And the algorithm, he ain't gonna push you like that. So you gotta use your brain and you gotta use the long tail strategy. How we do it? It's simple. I'm gonna give it to you for free, but make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And it's very simple. All you gotta use is the YouTube search bar. I'll show you how. Look, I'm gonna give you a clear example. The Fortnite sector. But whenever I say Fortnite, just change it in your mind to cooking, to fishing, to gardening, whatever your channel is about. So you see, the YouTube search bar has what is called the autocomplete, and I'll show you how to use that to your advantage. YouTube have done this so when people start searching on that bar, you can see what they're looking for. And these searches are from the most popular to the least popular. So if your video is just called Fortnite, nobody's gonna find you. Or even Fortnite Android, or playing Fortnite on my laptop, they ain't gonna find you. So you gotta start mixing words. So you gotta combine words that got something to do with Fortnite, and the longer those words are, the longer the tail, the better it is. That's what she said. So you make videos about Fortnite so you know what's up. It's an island, there's a boss, you got guns, you shoot people. So let's type guns or weapons. Look what happens. check out this autocomplete. The autocomplete is gonna become your best friend because it wants your life to be good. It wants your YouTube channel to blow up. It's telling you, all right, people are searching, so let's give it a try. So let's type weapons. Hold on, we're gonna type Fortnite weapons, and as you can see, you'll have those keywords: Fortnite weapons guy, Fortnite weapons rank, Fortnite weapon tier list. But there's a bunch of competition. You want to put your title like this. You want to make it the longest. You want to make a long tail. So this one could be good. Weapon chapter 6 season 3. But this is what you do. You put a star over here, and then you can have all the keywords. Fortnite weapons in real life, Fortnite weapons tier list. So the more popular the keyword is, the more competition you'll have. The longer the keywords are, the less competition. So let's try Fortnite guns, and then you have Fortnite guns. Don't even try this keyword because let's click on it. You're gonna have a bunch of guys using the same thing. But you can see this one, Nerf Fortnite blue shock blaster. This is a long tail keyword. So if you go over here, and then one thing important, you go over here and you're gonna look at the title if it actually has all these keywords. Nerf Fortnite blue shock blaster. Blue shock. It doesn't have blaster. So Nerf May AR-15. You see how many views? 380,000 views, and the guy only put Nerf. So imagine you come and you put the exact same keywords over here. Nerf Fortnite blue shock blaster. You're gonna be the only one in the list because no one is doing the same exact title. Nerf Fortnite, that's actually decent. Blue shock. Well, this guy, see, take this example, this guy here. So this guy has the Nerf Fortnite blue shock blaster and put review. So you see, this is the type of title you want. A very long tail, a very long title. Is that what you need? That's exactly how you're gonna rank. So you're not gonna be among the most populars, but if somebody puts Nerf Fortnite blue shock blaster, you're gonna be among the first videos to appear. And that's what you need. But here's the icing on the cake. Use the asterisk. That's your second best friend, and some people call it a wild card when they actually try this, because it tells the search engine, show me any keywords that can fit right here. When you put a star, you're gonna have a bunch of other long tail keywords. Fortnite new update 1v1 with every gun secret room at all codes. This one over here, as you can see, you have to go with those that actually have a bunch of keywords. So that's one thing you can do, is use the asterisk. The other thing you can do, you can here put what before the Fortnite, what Fortnite, and then you have a bunch of other keywords. And always don't go for this one here, what Fortnite season is, what Fortnite region has the worst players. So you're making a video of a Fortnite, maybe you can talk a little bit about which region has the worst player, and that's gonna give you a good ranking. You're gonna rank first on those keywords. Or you can put here how Fortnite, and then you'll see also some long tail keywords, how Fortnite pros spend their money. So you can give you ideas of how to title your videos. So that's the way you're gonna have people coming into your channel other than your friends, people like that ain't your family, that ain't your ex, people that is looking for your content. And what you can do is make a list of all those long tail keywords and then make videos about it. And like I said, you can use that for any keyword. Whatever it is that your channel is about, cooking, fishing, you can do the exact same. Go for the long tail keywords. And the reason why is because they have a bunch of keywords on it related to your video, and they don't have a lot of competition, and that will help you to get your first 100 subscribers. And once you hit those 100 subscribers, I'm gonna teach you how to continue the train and get your 4,000 hours, and watch one of my videos where I'm talking about it. Now make me a favor, subscribe, like. This is Hustle Money channel. Till next time, I'm out.